Welcome to the Claude AI learning journey. Discover the power of Claude AI. This means learning how to leverage its advanced artificial intelligence capabilities to solve complex problems. For instance, you could use it to analyze a large document and instantly summarize the key points. You will learn to apply this intelligence to enhance your own work and decision-making processes. Learn practical AI skills. This means moving from theory to hands-on application, building the ability to implement and use AI tools to solve problems. For example, you could learn to create a simple model that analyzes text to categorize customer feedback automatically. This journey will equip you with immediately applicable, real-world capabilities. Transform your work approach. This means fundamentally changing how you execute tasks, moving from manual, repetitive methods to intelligent, automated processes. For instance, instead of manually sorting customer emails, an AI could analyze and route them automatically. Adopting this new methodology will enhance your efficiency and outcomes. Begin your AI exploration today. This means starting to understand how artificial intelligence systems work and what they can do. For instance, you could try a simple task like asking an AI to summarize a long article for you. Taking this first step is how you build practical knowledge in this field. Join the future of intelligent assistants. This means using advanced artificial intelligence to augment human capabilities, providing proactive support and automating complex tasks. For example, such a system could analyze a project's data to automatically draft a status report for your review. This represents a significant evolution in how technology supports our work. Let's explore the core concepts of Claude AI. Advanced Conversational AI Assistant refers to a sophisticated system designed for natural, multi-turn dialogue. It understands context, nuance, and complex intent, allowing it to provide detailed, relevant, and coherent responses across extended conversations. For example, it could help a user refine a business proposal through iterative discussion, suggesting improvements and clarifying goals. This capability enables deep, productive, and human-like interaction. Built for safety and helpfulness. This means its core design prioritizes secure, reliable operation and generating genuinely useful outputs. For example, when asked for medical information, it is designed to provide accurate, cautious guidance and avoid harmful suggestions. This foundational principle ensures every interaction is both secure and constructive. The core capability is that it processes text and documents. This means the system can read, interpret, and analyze written information from various sources. For example, it can review a contract to identify key clauses and obligations. This foundational ability allows for the automation of information-intensive tasks. It provides accurate, thoughtful responses. This means the AI processes queries with care, aiming for correctness and depth in its answers. For example, when asked to summarize a complex report, it would highlight key findings and crucial context. This focus ensures the information you receive is both reliable and well considered. Continuously learning and improving means the system automatically refines its performance over time. It analyzes new data and past outcomes to update its internal models, enhancing accuracy and effectiveness without manual reprogramming. For example, a language model becomes better at answering questions as it processes more user queries and feedback. This creates a dynamic system that grows more capable with experience. Practical applications of Claude AI for business and development tasks. The phrase is draft emails and documents quickly. This means using AI to generate initial text based on simple prompts, saving you time on composition. For example, you could provide a few key points and receive a complete first draft of a meeting summary. This application accelerates routine writing tasks significantly. Analyze and summarize complex reports. This involves using AI to process lengthy, detailed documents, extracting the core findings and key data points into a concise overview. For example, it could read a dense 50-page financial audit and produce a one-page summary of the critical risks and recommendations. This transforms overwhelming information into actionable insight. Generate creative content ideas. This means using an AI to produce novel suggestions for written or visual material. It automates the brainstorming process. For instance, you could input a product description and receive a list of potential blog post titles or social media captions. This application streamlines the initial phase of content creation. Answer technical questions accurately means the system provides correct, reliable information to user inquiries. For instance, when asked, "How do I configure a secure network tunnel?" it would detail the exact steps for setting up specific protocols and keys. This builds essential trust in the system's guidance for technical tasks. The application is to assist with coding and problem solving. This means it can help generate, explain, and debug software code when you provide a clear description of the task. For example, you could ask it to write a Python function that sorts a list of names and then explain how the logic works. This provides direct support for technical development challenges. Master the power of Claude AI to achieve your professional goals. Claude enhances productivity significantly. This means the AI helps complete tasks faster and more efficiently by automating or streamlining complex work. For example, it can quickly summarize a lengthy report, allowing you to focus on analysis. Mastering this tool is key to achieving greater output with less effort. Apply AI skills immediately. This means moving from theory to practice by using your new knowledge to solve actual problems. For instance, you could quickly build a simple tool to summarize long documents. This direct application solidifies your learning and demonstrates value. Start using these skills in your work right away. Stay ahead in digital transformation. This means proactively using advanced tools to modernize processes before competition forces you to. For instance, a retailer could use it to automatically analyze customer feedback, identifying trends to adapt their inventory faster. Mastering this approach is key to maintaining a competitive edge. Continue practicing and exploring. This means dedicating time to actively use the tool and experiment with its features beyond basic tasks. Mastery comes from repeated, hands-on interaction. For example, try asking it to reformat the same data set in 3 different ways, like a table, a bulleted list, and a short paragraph. This consistent, curious engagement is how you build true proficiency. Thank you for learning with us. This phrase signifies the completion of a shared educational journey, acknowledging the effort invested to build new skills. For example, after a workshop on data analysis, the instructor uses this to conclude and validate the participants' commitment. Mastering new capabilities is a collaborative achievement.